Hello, this is Brian from MV Media, and today we're going to do a little short tutorial about how to do the simplest possible implementation of the Wiz CMS. You'll find that it's extremely simple, and literally you don't have to build a theme or template or anything like that to the CMS at all. It's the exact opposite. You just apply the CMS to any existing HTML, and it'll become really apparent why that is and how simple that is to do as we go. And to show that it can be applied to anything, this is literally a free HTML template that I just downloaded and made this fake Cedar gift shop text and logo and put that in there. And this is going to be a static site, just like one that you might deliver to a client if they only wanted a static site. Except now, at the very end, we're just going to go and make it content driven, make some editable content in it. What we're going to do is we're going to make these store hours editable. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab an instance of the Wiz CMS. The Wiz CMS literally in its simplest form is just one file. So we can literally just copy that file over to the gift shop, and I'm going to put it in a folder called edit hours, so that when they go to edit it, they can go to their site /edit hours. And I will just paste the CMS in there. Now, as far as installation goes, technically the CMS is now installed. Now we just got to edit the site to make it actually edit the site content itself. So plug it into the site. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little text file here, and this is where some of the data is going to be held. I'm going to call it hours.txt. And then I'm going to go to the index file for the website. Open that up, and I'm going to find the text that I want. Right here, we have store hours from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. I'm going to cut that out, and back here, I'm going to put it in that text file. Save it, and that's good there. And then I'm going to grab this little snippet. In the extra folder, there's some extras, and we have things here like this little snippet that you can use. And you take that little snippet of PHP code, and we're going to put that where your text was instead. And then we're just going to put a path to the file we made. So it would be edit hours /hours.txt, and save it. And now we will go into the actual CMS file. And here we can do things such as make sure it points to the right text file, since we named it hours.txt. Set a username and password if you'd like. I'm going to use user and pass. And then you can also do things like, we don't need a description on the CMS. It's a pretty simple edit. So we'll just get rid of the description. We'll change the header of the page to edit hours, and we should be done. So now we'll just go here, and we'll go edit hours, and here we are at the place where we can edit the hours. I'm going to change that to 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. User, pass, save my changes. Info is saved. Now you'll find if you go back to the site, it reflects those changes. That simple to go from a static site to a content edited site. And now keep in mind that this was the simplest possible implementation. There are a lot more robust features. You can do a lot more with this. And to learn more about that, I invite you to watch the rest of the videos and see the more complex, or really not that complex, but say robust uses of the CMS, and see just what you can do to it. Thanks for watching, and please watch the rest of the videos.